Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a gift card from your Target account. First thing you want to do is simply open up the Target app. Now, once you're in the app, you can see I'm already signed in to my account. From here, go down to my Target account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, look up to the gear icon at the top right and tap on it to open the settings. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Gift Cards. Go ahead and tap on that. And now, you'll see the gift cards linked to your account. If you want to remove one, just select the gift card. And you'll notice options to add, remove, or transfer. Simply tap on remove, confirm your choice, and just like that, the gift card is no longer in your Target account. And that's it. That's how to remove a gift card from your Target account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.